This video is meant to familiarize the rider with the location of information and components on a 650 Titan Adventure snowmobile. Note that some features and accessories shown may not be present on all models and may not represent production vehicles. Starting at the front of the vehicle, you will see the front bumper and two side panels. Remove the left side panel to access the oil injection reservoir, spare belt holder, drive clutch assembly, and the L-wrench clutch spreader tool. Behind the right side panel, you'll find the brake system, coolant pressure cap, and the headlight adjustment. Under the hood, you'll find the fuse panel, spark plug holder, spark plug wrench, diagnostic plug, and the radiator. The front suspension contains adjustable shocks, control arms, tie rods, sway bar and links, spindle, ski rubbers, skis, and skags underneath the skis. Once on the seat, you'll see mirrors on both sides of the sled, the 7S display, a storage compartment behind the display, and USB plug inside the storage compartment. The left handlebar contains the brake lever, parking brake, brake reservoir, back button, navigation buttons, select button, headlight dimmer switch, heated grips control button, and the Polaris electronic reverse control. The right handlebar contains the engine run stop switch and throttle lever. The handlebars can be adjusted by loosening the four fasteners in the center. Below the handlebars are the intake screens, spare auxiliary slots, rear work light switch, RCA port, key switch, fuel cap, gear shifter, and recoil starter handle. Behind the driver's seat, you'll find the passenger seat with handlebars, RCA port, hand warmer controls, and seat warmer switch if equipped. The battery is located underneath the driver's seat. Behind the passenger seat is accessory port, battery charge port, the cargo rack with 6 accessory attachment points, tail and work light, tow hitch, and snow flap. Move to the rear suspension to find the front limiter straps, rail slide, front track shock and adjustments, rear track shock and adjustments, front grease zerk, rear grease zerk, rear limiter straps, torsion spring adjustment, rear idler wheels, and rear idler adjustment. The VIN label is located on the right side of the snowmobile above the running board. The VIN is also stamped in the same location. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.